you're in short sales, and you're also you're a licensed agent too, right?
Yep.
Okay,
With EXP.
so very well ingrained into the real estate market and working with agents. You are an agent. How can agents and other real estate professionals avoid becoming a lowest price commodity?
I think the absolute number one reason and way they could do that is by picking a niche. I think the riches are in the niches. I think that similar to what the other people who were on said, your other guests, it's a crowded marketplace right now. You know, real estate's crazy, especially if you're a real estate agent. I really think that specializing in real estate as a whole is only going to get you so far. I think that picking a niche, you know, you have to ask yourself, what specific value can I bring to the market? Not just, okay, I'm a real estate agent, I'm going to run around and, you know, try to get any old listing I could. And Chris, I actually learned that the hard way. So when I jumped into real estate full time, I thought, hey, you know, I have a real estate license. I don't have to specialize in anything. I'll just run around, you know, try to get any old listing I can, try to strum up business and make a career for myself. But by doing that, I realized, you know, I'm only getting so far. I have to stop, reevaluate my business and where I'm at, and you know, figure out what am I going to specialize in? What am I going to be known for? And that's how I got into short sales. So I think, like I said, being an agent, investor, you know, whatever you are in real estate, pick a niche 100%.
So short sales definitely very niche, and that's true. Riches in the niches, the long tail, especially over time, as just more people get in the industry, and some people are going to be focused on investment. Some people are going to be focused on first-time home buyers, luxury homes, tiny homes, the Airbnb. You're in short sales. That's doesn't seem to me like that's not a credit. It seems like that's probably a credit market too, right?
I think anything in real estate, yeah. I mean, there's going to be competition in anything you do.
So my follow-up question to that, and maybe it's not as crowded now as it was probably in like 2011,
right?
But how have you been able to stand out and let folks know that, hey, because I made one phone call and that connected me to you. There was only one name.
Yeah.
And maybe that's part of your strategy, but how are you getting people to know that you're the short sale guy? Like, you're the only one. There is no one else.
That's actually 100% my strategy. 95% of my business is referrals, the same way you found me, you know, through Brant. Almost 100% of my business is just, you know, word of mouth. You know, it almost sounds too simple for me to say it as advice, but I honestly think the best thing you could do in business, especially if you're looking to get referrals and build a brand for yourself, is just do what you say you're going to do. It sounds so,
right?
Yeah, exactly. It sounds so simple. It sounds so elementary, but I mean, you know, so many people in business, especially real estate, you know, they're almost, you know, they're just trying to hustle, you know, do whatever they can to strum up business, kind of give like those hard scripted sales pitches that are inauthentic. Just kind of be yourself, provide good information, and do what you say you're going to do, you know, and then people are going to want to do business with you, and people are going to want to refer business to you because they trust you.